This
No.
is my kitchen.
Come again? Can you repeat?
Hi kids, today we have a kitchen.
This is Noni kitchen. This is Noni kitchen.
And another kitchen.
Wait. Wow, so many kitchen. What you want to cook today? And what is that with you?
Don't know.
Don't know.
Check it out.
What? Oh, it's making a sound. Ah! Noni, you cannot do that. Come on, Noni. Hurry up.
Wait,
It's 2 minutes.
look it. It's spinning.
What is spinning? Wow, what is that? What's that?
I don't know. I'm going to check it out.
What's that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We're checking out.
What is that, Noni? Noni, hurry up. Tell your friend what is that.
It's a oven.
It's not an oven. It's a microwave.
Oh.
You. Okay.
Hold.
New microwave.
So let's get this out. But we need a scissor.
Scissor?
To get it. We need a screwdriver.
Okay. I find a screwdriver.
Let's go. Yes,
Okay.
we need the screwdriver.
You cannot do it, okay? Let Sumi do it. Yeah.
Let's open it, kids.
Okay, come here. This one is dangerous. Wow. Alright, what do you have?
Tak boleh buka ni.
Hey, no, don't do that.
Tak boleh buka ni.
What are you doing again, Noni? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm peeling the sellotape.
Peeling the cellophane tip. Oh, it's still got tip. That's why you cannot open it just now. Can you see down there? Got cellophane tip or not? Yes. Here.
Oh, there.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot see it. Peel
What, Noni?
Let's peel it the other side.
Ay! You put all the paste. What is this? Hurry up, I want to see what you can do. Can you open it? You need to press here to open.
Open.
Can you open it?
Open.
Wait, let me see.
Okay, now I have a new microwave. Press open. Press open.
What they can do? Come, let me see.
You can
Hey, what you doing? Let me help you, Noni.
take this off. So here's the chicken.
Here's the chicken.
So
Okay.
what we have to do is put the chicken in here.
Why don't you put this one on the table?
Oh,
Which one? Okay.
Okay, so
Alright.
I'm gonna put this chicken in. Guess what they gave us? They gave us and so we can close it.
Okay, done?
And then, so it was a chicken, right? So we press barbecue and go.
Barbecue. Wow, it's got lights.
And it's going to spin.
It's also got timer there. See?
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh, 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Oh, it's too long to wait.
Yeah.
Can you just stop it?
Cannot.
Cannot? Oh, press the start button again.
Which one? Cannot.
Tak nak.
Saya nak tunggu je.
Aduh. Alright, done. Now your chicken is done. Is it hot?
No, I need a spatula.
Spatula, where's your spatula?
Where's my spatula?
Here, you go get your this one.
Oh, I want these. I want these spatulas. They're so big.
Your plate. Go and take your plate. Where are you going to take it? Where are you going to take it?
I'm gonna Here's your chicken, guys.
This might be hot.
Now I'm going to show you the rest, and I want to show you that they can cook anything that we have.
Seriously?
Even a dog.
Ha! You want to cook Dora? No!
Cook Dora. Make her a soup.
Soup. Noni, what are you doing to Dora, Noni? What are you doing to Dora? Why you want to make Dora zoo? Why? Okay then. Alright, say goodbye to your friends. I think this is enough playing.
Okay. Goodbye, friends.